Hey guys, just a quick video. I'm Jay, welcome to my channel. This is Make Money with Jay. I share how to make money on KDP as well as Etsy. I create colouring pages, give away for free. But in today's video guys, we're going to I got a couple of emails this morning from Amazon KDP telling me that some money is getting paid. I totally forgot about Amazon this month guys. I've been concentrating, well, the last 2 months I've been concentrating on Etsy and my websites, yeah guys, and other source of income. So it's a great feeling when you get an email telling you that you've made some money and it's going to be paid into your bank. So it's not much guys, but let's go and have a look, yeah? So look, Amazon UK, they paid me £94.72. Amazon French or France at €2.58, yeah. Australia $2.90. Italy €12.32. America $11.51, and Spanish I think it is, it's €9.24. So yeah guys, it's not much, but it's showing that my books are selling. I've got less than 100 books, so it's a passive income. I've already uploaded them. Totally forgot about their books. I've not got any campaigns running. I've not been uploading any recent books, which now this is a reminder I need to get back on it, because yeah, I keep forgetting about it guys, and the books sell. So keep at it guys, consistency, and the more you make, the more books you have, yeah, which are good quality, the better, the more money you're going to make. And yeah, so I'm going to start making some books guys, so bear with me. So yeah, it's a good feeling. But yeah, that's all I wanted to tell you today guys. So if you're new here, come and check out some of my I show you some niches that I do right now over on Amazon. I show you my income reports for Etsy, for KDP and that, and yeah, I show you how to make the printables, I show you how to make the colouring pages, and I even give them away free guys. So if you're struggling to make colouring pages and you want to sell them on Amazon, yeah, feel free to come and get them, download them, just tweak them a little bit, add your own little things to them, like logo, just whatever guys, and then just upload them guys to yours for free, yeah. So yeah, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and thanks very much for watching guys. Until next time, goodbye.